And there it is, all installed. Let's see if it works. It's pretty quiet. Sucks in air of this half and blows it out that half. Oh yeah, it's getting warm. It's getting nice and toasty in here. I'd say that's a success. I think that startup sounds worth another listen. Now I heard when I was a little kid, I turned this thing on and off until it quit working, until the thermal opened up in it. And I could believe that, because if the other one sounded like this when it was working, that's pretty awesome. It's a pretty awesome sound. If I like the sound of it now, I liked it when I was a little kid too. I can imagine myself standing on the toilet to reach the light switches. That just sounds like something I'd do back then. So I believe that story is true. And once something broke around the house like this, the grandparents typically just left it broken. Let's say it broke in around 1980. And around 95, I decided to take it down to see what was wrong with it. And I soldered the thermal back together and got the fan loosened up. And it worked. It probably worked about 6 months, and the thermal opened again. And they decided they didn't want it fixed again, so that's when I started retrofitting it. But I found this good working heater and thought I might as well put it back to its original state. Looks a whole lot nicer, I think, for this bathroom. And again, this is my 1959 NuTone Model 920 recessed ceiling heater.